Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make animations for GUI, as in like zooming in or like that. So I'm going to put an example on screen of what it should look like at the end of the video, and let's get started. So first you're going to want to go over to Starter GUI, then you're going to add a screen GUI. Let's name that. You can name it whatever you want, whatever you're going to use it for. I'm going to name it Shop for an example. Now I'm going to go into frame, add a frame. We're going to move this somewhere in the center. And I'm going to change the anchor point to 0.5, 0.5. Now it's in the middle. Now I'm going to align it there. Now the size is going to change to 0, 0, 0. And then you can change it to whatever you want, but do that first. That's better. I'm going to do 0.5, 0.0, 0.6, 0. And that's good for me. Now, let's name that main frame. Now let's go inside of that and add a text button. Now we can do the same thing. Anchor point 0.5, 0.5. Now it's centered. And then let's change the size from 0, 0, 0, 0. And now you make it as big as you want, as big as you need. I'm just gonna try and make it. Okay. Now I'm gonna name that close. And the way I like to make it look closed is I first change the background color to red, obviously. And then I scroll, well, not too bright. I want to try like not make it darker. Then scroll down, go font and cartoon. Then go to text scale, check it off. And then set the text as X. And then you go to text stroke transparency to 0. Then you change the text color to white to make that white. And if you wanted to make like a little cool outside shade, you can make it real black. And then make it like go up a bit. Okay, now we're gonna make it another text button for outside shop. Now let's center that to 0.5, 0.5. That's centered. And then now you don't have to design as well. I'm just gonna set it now. And then I'm just gonna leave it right here with the saying shop. Scaled, cartoon, and that's our shop button. So now let's name that open. Okay, so first let's go into open, add a new local script. Now clear the whole thing out. Now first we're gonna add two main factors, the button and the main shop. So what we're gonna do is local open button equals script dot parent. Now we're gonna do local again. Now this time we're gonna do shop equals script dot parent dot mainframe, or whatever you called it. Now we're gonna go down. Now we're gonna do open button dot mouse click 1 connect function, and we're gonna do the parentheses inside and hit enter there. Now we're gonna do shop, and then we're gonna do tween size. No, position. There are two of them, and we're gonna do both of them, but we're we're going to do tween position first. Now you click enter right between the parentheses like this. Now what you're going to want to do is UDMI to dot new. Oh wait, new, and then put parentheses after that. Now you're going to add the position of the main frame where it currently is. Mine is 0.5, 0, 0, 0.5, 0. So you're going to do 0.5 or whatever you have, comma, space, 0, and then so on and so forth. So now we hit enter. Now I'm going to, oh wait, we all set comma. Now we're going to do out in quotations and then quotation mark. We're going to do quart and then comma 1, right? And then we're going to do false. That sets up the whole system. Now we're going to name the script open shop script or whatever you want. It doesn't really matter, but I just like to keep it organized. Now we close that script. Now we're going to go over to close, and we're going to do local script, and now we're going to do basically the same thing but with the close. So first, local close button equals script dot parent, and then shop local shop equals script dot parent dot parent. Okay, now we go down, close button dot mouse click connect function, and oh wait, enter outside. Now UDIM 2. No, not UD. Okay, I'm messing this up a bit, but do this correctly with me. Shop tween position enter UDIM2 dot new parentheses, and then you're gonna want to make a position. So I like it usually coming in from the side. So what I'm gonna do is go down here, position, and I'm gonna set it. The second one, I'm gonna put 2. So it goes off to this side. Wait, no, it goes down. But you can. So this one's the left and right. You want to do 2. Okay. So now we go back here. Okay. So the position we want to have will be 0.5, 0, 2, 0. Now comma on the outside, enter. We're gonna do in. Okay, and then we're gonna do comma quart, comma 0.5. This makes this good. And then finally comma false. Now let's test that. Hold on, let me make it a bit brighter. There we go. Now let's play. And as you can see now, we're gonna do shop. It comes in from the bottom. You can also do it from either side, like I said, and I was close, and it went down. So shop. Ooh, I really like this. All right. Also, I'm just gonna name it close script because like I said, I like it organized. Now, I'm gonna show you the other. So this time we're gonna do tween size. So let's make a new screen UI. I'm just gonna name this one shop V2. Alright, so now we make a frame on the inside. So all the steps before, so I'm just gonna speed up this part of the video. Alright, so now we have our model right here. So it's the same thing as before. Now we're gonna go to open local script. Now we're gonna clear this out. And like we did before, same thing at the beginning, local open button equal script dot parent. Local shop equals script dot parent dot parent dot shop. Now I'm just gonna go down and we're gonna do the same thing as before. Like I said, open dot mouse button 1, click connect function, and now enter shop Tween service. Now size, okay? Tween service size, Tween size, enter. Now we're going to UDIM2 new dot new, and now we're going to type in the position of where the shop is currently in, which is, not position, but size 0.5 comma 0 comma 0.6 comma 0. Now we're going to do comma after the parentheses, enter. Now we're going to do the same thing, out, comma, and then quotation mark again, port, comma, and then 1, comma, false. So this is for Tween size. Whoopsies. You guys saw that. Okay, so now let's name that open script. Open script. Alright, so now we're gonna make it go to close local script, delete everything right there. Now we're gonna do same thing like we did before. Local close button equals script dot parent. Local shop, it doesn't really matter what the capitalization of shop equals script dot parent dot parent. Now we go down and do close button dot mouse button 1 equals okay. Now connect function, do that, and now we have this. So shop tween size, enter. Now UDMI IM2 dot new, and not enter. Whoops. I meant to say now you're gonna type the size of it. So I'm just gonna set it from this to 0, 0, 0, and then the whole thing. So it's at the middle, so it zooms in. So now go here, 0, space, 0, space, 0, space, and 0. Now outside the parentheses, comma, in, comma, quart, and then outside the quotation mark, comma, and then 0.5, comma, false. Alright, so now let's have that done. I just want to do both. So I'm going to move that one down here and just have it something else. Wait, I'll just name it Shop V2. Alright, so now let's test it. So just to clear you guys' mind, first one, this one is the position, and the bottom one is the side. So let's do the position again. Comes in from the bottom, we close it, goes down. Shop V2 zooms in, and when you click close, close it out like that. These are really satisfying, so I don't know about you. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.